Hi guys, and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. Today, I'm going to show you on how to add particles in our game. So if you want to learn these things, please watch this video. Alright, first, what is particles? Particles is small things that make your games more beautiful. It makes your game more awesome. It adds some life to your game. So if you still don't know what is particles, we can easily go to game object, select effects, and then particle system, and then you have that particles. It's so familiar, right? In MMO games, you're gonna see these small things when you're moving around and checking all areas in your place, right? You'll see this particle can be small, big, different colors, but one thing they have in common: they make the game more better, more awesome. They add some life to the game. So that's the particle system. So now we're going to add the same particle system to our game. Alright, now we need to prepare our particles. So in here, I got some particles, which is this one. When I drag it, yeah, we will use these particles when our enemy died. So, yep, we need to know on how to add that. So I'm going to delete this one first. Alright, to add these explosion particles to our game, we can easily go to Enemy Manager and then look to our enemy prefab, which holds the enemy controller, and then in here we get this public variable called explosion particles. In here we're gonna drag that particles, our particles prefab. So in here, select this one, right? So what I did is I just drag it there. So this one, right? Drag it there. Then after you drag it there, you will have some particles prefab here, and then you can create a new method for your game, or in our case our game, and then instantiate the explosion prefab. And then we will call this method when our enemy reach health of 0. So let's go back to our Unity and let's try that. Let's see that explosion. One more time. Alright. So now what happened is when our enemy hit HP of 0, we will show the explosion by calling our method. And that's how you can add particles in your game. There's a lot of ways that you want to add particles in your game. You can use particles as a hint to the player if you have some puzzles, or you can add particles to show some interactivity in your game. You can just add particles just to make your games look awesome and great. So yeah, there's a lot of ways. Everything depends on you. It depends on your imagination, and of course depends on the design of your game. So if you want to learn more about Unity 3D and C#, you can check our other videos. We have a lot of basic here in our channel, so please check one by one if you want. So again, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll always get updated when we upload a new video. Please share this video with your friends, and see you in our next video. Goodbye guys.